Alright, these three ladies, older ladies, are Songkran, and there's not much going on in the street yet. But they are literally hitting the motorbikes with buckets. See if they continue. Here comes a motorbike. Yeah. Oh, you heard her. She's excited. Oh, they nailed him. Oh. Oh, camera. Money, passport. Swati Pimai. She wanted to come and nail me. Oh, she's gonna get this motorbike. Oh, she's gonna get this motorbike. They're just exclusive motorbike hunters. Okay, that wasn't bad. Oh! Uh-oh, this grab guy's on a motorbike. Oh, did that go? This guy's not though, this guy. Oh, he's in trouble. Did you just see that? They got me. The motorbike got me. Thank God it wasn't that bad. Just a few sprinkles. But yeah, this is Swati Pimai, happy Songkran. I mean, yeah, they're getting the motorbikes. Cheers, cheers, guys. Songkran it is. Oh, she can do it. Ah, she can do it. Take care.